So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your promo of up to $1,000, it's okay. I'm gonna leave 7 steps down below to apply a referral code retroactively. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right in your Uber driver app. A lot of people don't know that, but if you signed up for Uber and you never used a referral code, you know, it's not too late. You can actually go back and apply someone's code. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, you can just sign up normally. I'll have links down below for both Uber and Lyft. But yeah, if you signed up, you never used a code, it's not too late. Just follow the steps down below and you can get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming on. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how having a laptop and a phone when you're out driving for Uber and Lyft can literally double your earnings. I know what you're talking about. You're like, Dylan, what the heck? I've never heard about this. What's your secret? What is it? I'm gonna get into it in a second. But before I do, guys, check the links down below. Go through the description. If you wanna start making more money, I have found the best ways for Uber and Lyft drivers to make more money. And I leave everything in the description. And fun fact, I go through and change every single description of every single one of my videos every single week and I update them. So I go back and change my old descriptions and you know, so like with the most up-to-date way. So if you watch one of my videos, you can go to the description, there's not gonna be like, oh, that doesn't work anymore. So I always change and come up with new ways and I update every single video description. So if you go down below, there's gonna be tons of different new ways on how to make more money as an Uber and a Lyft driver. All right, so now let's get started with the video. How are you gonna use your phone and a laptop to make more money as an Uber and a Lyft driver in 2020 or whenever you're watching this? So a fun thing about this, and a lot of people don't know about this, but if you have an iPhone, go and click on settings right here and click on personal hotspot. So once you click on personal hotspot, all you wanna do is click allow others to join. As soon as you do that, you can connect your laptop on one of these 3 ways. The first one is to connect using Wi-Fi, to connect using Bluetooth, or to connect using USB. I prefer USB simply because that way you have the best connection. You're not, you know, relying on wireless. So basically all you do is plug it in here and then get this, plug it in right here, and now you have high-speed data or high-speed internet on your laptop wherever you are. So one thing that I do, guys, when I'm out driving for Uber and Lyft, in between my rides, I open up my laptop and I have full access to my internet. Now, you're thinking, okay, Dylan, you could just do that on your phone. Well, what's the difference? On here, I can do anything that I want, anything that I have to do on my laptop during my rides, in between my rides. So a lot of times what I do in order to optimize efficiency is in between my rides, I open up my laptop and actually do work right inside. There's a thing that you can get and you hook it onto your steering wheel and it's a little table. I don't do that, I just put it on my lap, but I work on tons of stuff and I highly encourage you. 1 out of every 2 Uber drivers, based on research of Uber surveys, are working on another project or trying to start a business on the side. If you are not working on a business in between your rides and you're simply scrolling on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, wasting your time, you are losing, you're already losing. So what I do, and this is what I did when I was starting my business, which is this YouTube channel right here, in between my rides, I would literally go on my laptop and do work while I'm waiting for rides. That way I'm literally making twice as much money because I have my own business making money and then I'm making money doing that. So again, I highly encourage you to do that. And honestly, it saved me and taught me so much. So anyways, that's the trick, how to double your earnings as an Uber or a Lyft driver with a laptop and a phone. Thank you so much for watching today's video and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.